This is Vasyl Lomachenko great? The answer is yes, because he's done so much in the span of 16 fights. He might have lost twice, but that doesn't matter. It makes him a true champion in the divisions he is in. He did lose to Teofimo Lopez after putting Teo through 12 rounds of hell, but did beat Luke Campbell by unanimous decision. He also beat Anthony Corolla by KO and Jose Pedraza by unanimous decision. He also knocked out Jorge Linares. So we see this man is knocking out huge fighters, beating huge fighters, things that seem impossible for an average boxer to do. Also, I wanted to do a little closer look in him versus Mayoshi Nakatami. So I'm gonna just stay in there again. So Mayoshi Nakatami has 19 wins, 1 loss, which gives him a knockout percentage of 65. While that gives him a higher knockout percentage than Lomachenko. Height goes to Mayoshi Nakatami, but experience, I just say, does go to Nakatami. But Lomachenko has been fighting huge fighters and putting them lot through hell, so I'm not sure what matters. And plus, Mayoshi Nakatami doesn't have as much experience because Vasyl Lomachenko did his amateurs and World Series. That's the only reason Mayoshi Nakatami could become more. And age clearly goes to Lomachenko. And experience and age goes to Lomachenko. Rounds boxed goes to Lomachenko. The fight does go to Mayoshi Nakatami. This was on the fight talk now. Ow!